Mụ achọ inye mmadụ ego ife dịka onye ala maọbụ onye ayo. Enwe me practice na like idebie na ani. I like to place the money on the ground and tell Annie that I'm giving this money to her and that the person can take it from her, right? After all, it's Annie that takes care of all of us. If it's a bad person, let them fight with Annie. If the person has bad karma, let them debate with Annie, etc. Yet some days in the unavoidable, we gotta show love directly. Some of the people will carry big bad karma. Sabi heal person, right? If we believe, say, if you go motherless baby home, go do salaka, say they get some good energy, some good karma, then it also makes sense, say, if you show one of your nigga, way big bad nigga, right? Way they assault niggas, if you show them love, you get some bad energy, no? In that case, save 200 naira and buy an egg. When you get home, use that egg and anti-clockwise coach up with any bad energies you might have picked up from your act of salaka. See Ometalu bulu, see Ogbe egbuna yotago. See na aki sonyo ma buloli ako ma aki sonyo ojo buloli ako ojo. That this egg's blood should remove any negative energies that you incurred by your act of goodwill and also secure any positive energy, right? That your act of goodwill secured you. Then you break the egg outside. Stream holy is made when you are going to work. If you didn't have time to do Igbo for that morning, use it as Igbo for to make affirmations, because Igbos do not pray, we speak things into existence. We make affirmations and declarations. So use holy is made as your affirmation process. When you're going to work, put it on repeat. Whenever your spirit is low, put it on repeat. Yeah, that's it. And also hit me up about your DBA consultancy questions, Igbo for questions, Igbo more questions, Afa about rituals, Inye Chinri rituals, and advice. Even if you go for Afa and you want to discuss what you were told, hit me up. All unknown ya be fun.